Understanding Jurats for Notaries with Lisa Sweden. Hello, notary professionals. Today we're covering another essential notarial act, the Jurat. This is one of the most commonly misunderstood notarizations, and getting it wrong can have serious consequences. So let's break it down step by step so you can perform Jurats correctly and confidently every time. Here is an example certificate of a Jurat from Florida. Depending on your commission state, you may see different wording, but it will have the same basic structure and should contain all of the elements required by your state. So, what is a jurat? A jurat is a notarial act in which the signer personally appears before you, signs the document in your presence, and swears or affirms that the contents of the document are true. Here's what makes a jurat different. The signer must sign in front of you, and you must administer an oath or affirmation. This is typically used for documents like affidavits or sworn statements. Let's go step by step through the proper process. Step 1. Require personal appearance. The signer must be physically present before you or via approved remote notarization, if permitted in your state. Step 2. Identify the signer. Verify their identity using acceptable, valid identification according to what your commissioned state allows. Step 3. Review the document. Check that the document is complete, that there are no blank spaces. Check that it contains a Jurat certificate or you are given the correct one. Step 4. Witness the signature. This is critical. The signer must sign the document in your presence. If it's already signed when they present it to you, they must sign again in front of you. Step 5. Administer the oath or affirmation. Ask a verbal oath or affirmation such as, "Do you swear or affirm that the statements in this document are true and correct?" They must respond yes, or "I do," or something similar. Step 6. Complete the notarial certificate. Fill in the date, the signer's name, your notary details, and everything else required by your state. Step 7. Sign and affix your seal. You're going to apply your official signature and notary stamp exactly as required. Let's go over the most common mistakes to avoid. Not administering the oath or affirmation. This is the biggest error. Without it, it is not a valid jurat. Allowing a pre-signed document. You must witness the signature. There are no exceptions to that. Confusing a jurat with an acknowledgement. A jurat requires an oath and a witness signature. An acknowledgement does not. Improper identification. Always verify ID carefully to avoid invalid notarizations. Incomplete documents. Never notarize documents with blanks. Those can be altered later, leading to fraud. Skipping the verbal interaction. The oath must be spoken, not implied, not assumed. Jurats carry a higher level of responsibility because the signer is swearing to the truthfulness of the document. When done correctly, you're helping uphold integrity and accountability in important legal and financial matters. If this breakdown helped you, be sure to follow the YouTube page for more notary training tips and tools to grow your business. I'll see you in the next lesson. Here are some additional training resources that are available to you on Amazon. You can find quick links to these books at www.lisasweeting.com. You have Marked for Success, The Notary's Guide to Branding and Marketing. There's also the Loan Signing Agent Playbook, which is about marketing strategies for the loan signing agent business. Apostille Profits, The Notary's Guide to Turning Document Authentication into a thriving business. Go directly to Amazon or visit www.lisasweeting.com. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you every success.